Hello, hi to my fun robotic sessions over here. We have amazing robotic projects that I'm going to demonstrate to you right now in front of you. Alright, the very first project that we have is connected through this microbit board. Now this microbit board is actually connected to a battery and it is connected using the Bluetooth device of this board with this laptop right now. The best part of this project is that this board is connected to a game that I've created, which means that by using just this board, I can wirelessly control the character of my game. Let me demonstrate this for you. So this is the game that I have, which is created in Scratch. Okay, and now I'll show you that how this can be played actually. So if I go to full screen mode right now, the best part of it is you can actually control it using your hand gestures. Without even any wire, you can actually control with your hand gesture. It has an accelerometer which detects the motion in which direction I am tilting my hand, and accordingly I am able to control the character of my game. And once I get 3 points in my game, I get a heart symbol appearing on my board. So this is the board which comes with a heart symbol, right? Now moving to my next project is this loop game. Now in this loop game, if you come close over here, you will see that there is a very sad face. The reason that we have a sad face is because this loop is touching over here. And if we move it across and make sure that it is not touching, it becomes happy. My task over here is to move this wire from one end to another end without making it sad. Over. And this is how this entire game is actually played. Moving ahead to my third project, which is actually meant for more elder students, is this project which is based on sonar. Now over here, if you see, this is an ultrasound sensor. Now this ultrasound sensor actually emits some sound waves coming from the device, and once it moves, it will look for an obstacle. The moment the obstacle comes, it will bounce from that obstacle and come back over here. The time is calculated, that how much time it took for that sound wave to move ahead and then bounce back. This time is calculated and used in the formula speed is equal to distance upon time to find the value of distance. And then that's how we find out the distance between two objects. And this can be actually useful in many applications. One application that I can tell you, which is very relatable, is autonomous car. In autonomous car, the car actually finds out and gets to know that there is another car in front of it using these sensors. And this sensor, once they detect that the distance between the next car is very close, then what they will do? Emergency brakes are applied to avoid any kind of accidents. And this is how the property of us is actually saved. Well, that's it from my end. Thank you so much. I believe you enjoyed this thing. Bye-bye.